name is Charles Chima, the chairman of Super Life Nigeria. I'm actually here to actually share with us on the Super Life compensation plan. Right, the compensation plan of Super Life is actually tagged fast track to millionairehood. When we mean fast track to millionairehood, that means it turns little short to big short in a short time. Now, I'll talk about the Super Life compensation plan. We have 4 ways of making money in Super Life, 4 major ways. First of all is what we call the direct bonus. I'll talk about that. Direct bonus is up to 35% for every registration. They have what we call the roll-up bonus. They will have what we call the keying bonus. And we'll have what we call the pairing bonus. But before I tell you how to make money in Super Life, first of all, you need to be part of Super Life. How do I become a member? You cannot be making money from a company that you're not even part of. So the first question is, how do I become a member of Super Life? So we'll go. Now, for you to become a member of Super Life, we'll have 4 ways, but we'll promote 3. We'll have the starter package for 30,250. We'll have the star package for 55,000. We'll have the supreme package for 220,000. We'll have the super package for 550,000 naira. Every registration comes with what we call the PP, product points. For every starter registration of 30,250, the PP, which is called the product point, is actually 50. Then for star registration, which is 55,000, the PP is 100. For supreme registration, which is 220,000, the PP is 400. Then for super registration, which is the best package, I call that package Oga at the top, and I'll tell you why. Their package is 550,000, and the PP is actually 1,000 PP. Now, the product aspect. If you join as a starter, you're having 1 pack of our SCC 30. Now, each of the pack contains 15 sachets, all right? Now, if you join as a star, you're having 2 packs of that product. If you join as a supreme, you're having 8 packs. If you join as a super, you're having 20 packs. Now, the product you are getting is even what the money you are actually paying for registration. So you're not losing anything. It's actually risk-free business. Now, I said we'll have 4 ways of earning, but from just 1 way of earning, which is the pairing bonus, you have a potential as a start to make up to 77,000 every day. 3.1 million naira every month from just the leveraging system of Super Life as a star, which is the least package. Now we have the supreme package of 220,000. You have a potential of earning up to what, 321,000 naira every single day from the pairing bonus. Remember, I have 4 ways of earning, but this is just from the 1 way of earning, which is the pairing bonus. And every month you can make up to what, 9.6 million naira from pairing bonus alone. Then the super package. One thing I love about the super package is because there's no limit, there's no cap to your earning on the pairing bonus in a daily basis or monthly basis. There's no limit to what you can earn as a super. That means you can make up to 1 million. I've seen people make 1 million, 2 million, 3 million in Super Life every single day because on their super package. That's why I call that package the Oga at the top package. That's where we call the no limit package. No limit. Your earning is not limited on daily basis, unlike the star and supreme package. When you mention the amount people can earn on daily basis and on monthly basis, 3.1 million, 9.something million, and no limit bonus, they tell you how. That's the question they always ask. So let's go to the how. Let me start by sharing with you the direct bonus and the pairing bonus. So we'll get to the way of earning, ways to earn. Remember I said the star package is 55,000. Now say for instance, I join as a star and I pay 55,000 for registration. And the company operates what we call the binary system. Never forget this. The key system of Super Life is actually the binary system. The word binary means by 2. Once you join Super Life, you need to introduce minimum of 2 persons. Let minimum of 2 persons know about the system. Remember I said, if you want an ending prosperity, plant men. So this is time for you to plant your men. Plant your 2 men. Once you join as a star, plant your 2 men. Supreme, plant your 2 men. Super, every package you are joining, you need minimum of 2 persons to start. Left and right. Let's say, for instance, I join as a star. 2 of my friends that are coming on board decide to join as a star. Let's say A and B. As long as they join as a star and pay their 55,000 for registration, the direct bonus is the bonus they pay me for bringing them directly. That's what we call the direct bonus. The bonus you get for bringing anybody direct, anybody that you brought direct into the business, the company pays you up to 35% of the money they're paying as direct bonus. So if you join as a star and you pay 55,000 under Charles, immediately the company pay me 15,000. For every star that comes on under you and pay 55,000 for registration, you get a bonus of 15,000 paid to your account. So for having Mr. A and Mr. B join me on the star package, I get 15,000 times 2. That is 30,000. Now, apart from having Mr. A on my left, Mr. B on my right, instantly I qualify for the second one, and which is what we call the pairing bonus. Pairing bonus means for having somebody on your left, another one on your right, there will be a pair. So what pairing bonus for star, 1 star on your left, 1 star on your right, the pairing bonus is what? 9,000. 9,000 plus initial 15,000 into 2, which is 30,000, gives me 39,000. So for joining as a star member and bringing 2 persons on star package, under you in Super Life, you are getting 39,000. Remember, you have collected product worth if it's 5,000 you have paid. So this 39,000 is 100% profit. This is big. This is massive. We've never seen it in the MLM industry anywhere before. Super Life have introduced this. Now, this may look very small, but trust me, this is just the beginning of wealth. Remember, I said, if you want 1 year prosperity, plant corn, 10 years planting, lifetime plant men. So what you need to do as soon as these guys joins, let them understand the business. Your job is train your leaders to understand. Anybody that's coming into the business, let them know how this business works. That's the key. Talk to them, let them understand that they need to get there too. So if Mr. A introduces his own to, Mr. B introduces his own to, what has happened to Charles will automatically happen to them. Mr. A makes 15,000, Mr. B 15,000, each of them makes their parables of 9,000. So each of them are making their own 39,000 each. But the question is, what about Charles up there? Those two guys they brought, I don't even know when they came on board. I didn't talk to them, but trust me, like I said earlier, there's joy in heaven over every soul that repents. This company says for life. Once there's a recession that happens on your left or down on your right, whether you're the one that brought them or not, Super Life continues to pay you the pairing bonus. Pairing bonus says one there's somebody that signs up on your left, other one on your right, whether you're the one that brought them again or not, you are entitled to the pairing bonus. When I brought Mr. A and Mr. B left or right, I got the pairing bonus of 9,000 apart from my referral bonus. For having another Mr. A1, A2 on my left, B1, B2 on my right, I'll continue to earn 9,001, 9,002. This thing flows to infinity. And our payout is on daily basis. If you join today, get somebody to join right now, and the person signs up, you can get your pay now to any bank of your choice. Too much money, straight up. That is what we call Super Life. That's what we're enjoying here. Let's talk about the second package, which is the Supreme package. Supreme package is 220,000 naira. Now, if you join on Supreme package and you have also friends that are coming on board on the same Supreme package, all right, for each of them that join and pay 220,000 on Supreme package, your direct bonus moves high. Remember, I said 35% on the payment of anybody coming on board. So they are paying 220,000 naira now. You are making 35% of that money for direct bonus. That is 70,000 from each of them. For having A and B, I'm making 70,000, 140,000 for direct bonus for two Supreme. Now, look at the pairing bonus. The pairing bonus also shift level, because the pairing bonus is also a percentage of how much people are paying in. So when it was star left, star right, you get 9,000. But on Supreme package left, Supreme package right, you are making 36,000 for pairing bonus. Now, if you follow closely, you discover that 55,000 is for star, 220 is for Supreme. That means 55,000 times 4 gives you 220. So when they notice one Supreme on the left, one Supreme on the right, they are seeing that to be like 4 star loaded in one. So they are giving you a pairing bonus of 9,000 times 4. That's why you're getting 36,000. Now, if Mr. A introduces Mr. A1, Mr. A2, B introduces B1, B2, they will enjoy the same thing I've enjoyed. What about me? Charles will continue to make the same pairing bonus to infinity. The guy at the top package, which is super package, is 550,000. If you join as a super and introduce anybody that comes on board as a super, as long as they pay their 550,000 for registration, Super Life gives you 175,000 naira each. Now, for having one person on the left, on the right, a pairing bonus also comes to play. 90,000 naira, 90,000 plus 350,000 for direct bonus of two persons. You are making 440,000. That is not all. In Super Life, I talked about the King bonus. King bonus is the bonus they pay you for typing somebody's name into the system. Let's say, for example, I want to sign somebody up. What's your name? Charles Chima, date of birth, phone number, email address. That time I spend in typing their details, the company is also paying me a bonus of 15,000 each. Add 15,000 times 2, 30,000 plus 440. That's for almost 500,000 naira. That's what we call it fast track to millionairehood. You can become a millionaire here in 2-3 days. That's how fast Super Life is. And we've been doing this for the past 3 years and still counting. Now, if your A introduces A1, A2, B introduces B1, B2, you are still making the bonus of pairing bonus infinity. Remember, the bonus pairing bonus says once there is somebody on your left, other on your right, whether you are the one that brought them or not, you are continuing to earn. That is what we call the residual income. That's what we are enjoying. Once somebody registers your left or right, whether you know them or not, whether you brought them or not. Like today, I have a lot of people in UK, I have people in US, I have people in Canada, I have people in Holland. Even this morning, I have some people that I sent product to in Holland. Whatever they are doing in Holland, in US, in Canada, anywhere, Charles is here in Nigeria making money. No wonder they ask Bill Gates that if you lose everything you have, you want to start your life all over again. Can you tell us business you're going to? And Bill Gates said, look, without wasting time, say I will go into network marketing. When they ask him why, say because of the concept of network marketing, the leveraging concept. Say I can be in America, people in Africa are working for me. Today I'm in Africa, people in America are working for me, people in Asia are working for me, people in Africa, other part of Africa is also working for me because of the leveraging system. Now let me start concluding. Let me share with you what we call the 1 year lazy man scenario. 1 year lazy man scenario is talking about the pairing bonus for 1 year. How much you can earn from just the pairing bonus alone in 12 months. If you join Super Life as a star, let 2 of your friends know about Super Life. If 2 of them comes on board after a month you join, you are making 9,000, remember. pairing bonus. We are not talking about the direct bonus here. We're just talking about the pairing bonus. 1 star left, 1 star right. Your pairing bonus is 9,000. If those 2 guys that joins your business did not get anybody that particular month, let's say I joined October. By November, I was able to get my 2. I'll get 9,000. These 2 guys that joined November could not get anybody in November. By December, they were able to get their 2. Both of them will make 9,000, 9,000. But Charles there will make 9,000 times 2. That's 18,000. If those other 2 that joined December, we are not able to get anybody in December. But by January, they're able to get their 2 each. That's 4. Getting 2 is meaning 8. If you divide 18 to 2, 4 left, 4 right. Charles is making 9,000 times that amount, 4. That's 36,000. What I'm saying is very simple. Join Super Life, let your 2 get 2. Let the other 2 get 2. If everybody under you get 2 per month, 2 per month, 2 per month, by 12 months time, you discover that you have about 8,192 person in your team and about 33,600,000 naira will be in your bank account just from pairing bonus alone. And this is called 1 year lazy man scenario. Do you know why I call it a lazy man scenario? Because this is for people that don't have time. You can make bigger money when you go for Supreme package, and that bigger, much bigger when you go for Super package. Now, some of the questions people have in their mind is, let me just answer some of the questions. I know some people that are listening right now will asking me, okay, if I'm a star, can I get Super? If I'm a Super, can I get Supreme? If I'm a Supreme, can I get? The answer is yes. I'm doing this for illustration. Star, get Star. Supreme, get Supreme. Super, get Super. But anybody can get anybody. A star can introduce a Super can introduce a star can introduce a Supreme can introduce a Super can introduce a star. All right? Now, what are the bonuses? If a star introduces a star, you make 15,000, no doubt, because the same package. If a star introduces a Supreme, your bonus is most higher. You make 30,000. If a star introduces a Super, you make 40,000. The bigger the package, the bigger your bonus. Now, the question is this. Remember, if it was a Supreme that bought a Supreme, you would have made about 70,000. What about the balance? The company will not keep it back. The balance rolls up. That's what we call the roll-up bonus. Once a star gets a Supreme and they pay 30,000, the balance of 40,000 rolls up to whoever is a Supreme. So that's why the bigger the package, the better. Now, that of Supreme, if a Supreme introduces a star, you get 15,000. If a Supreme introduces a Supreme, you get 70,000. But if a Supreme introduces a Super, it makes 80,000. But that of Super collects everything complete from everybody. Another thing I also want to talk about is this. In Super Life, what we have what we call our gift points. The gift point is 15% of your earning. Company saves it for you to use for travel, for incentive, for cars, and all of that. Because they know that networkers, once they make money, they tend to spend money, do one or two. So help you to save part of your money. So once you sign up right now and start making money, let's say for instance you made 100,000, 15% will be saved for you, which is 15,000. You have access to 85,000 naira instantly. That is actually safe for you to actually be able to achieve 1 or 2 things tomorrow. So the company is helping you to save and be a better person in society. So that's about Super Life compensation plan. God does not work on intention. God works on your action. Take that step. Thank you so much for having me talk to you about Super Life. It's actually not just a business, but it's a blessing. Super Life, life is super. Super Life, we are super. Super Life, too much money. Love you guys. See you at the top. Bye.